Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is VVS Jules, founder of AI Artist Hub. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to use the app directly from your phone, step by step, so you can go from setting up your profile to creating your artist to getting ready to share your music with the world. This is not just about making an artist profile. This is about building your own AI pocket record label right from the phone you hold in your hand. So let's get it. First things first, y'all. You want to make sure your user profile is set up correctly. This matters because the foundation of your account is your user profile. You want to make sure your name, your information, and all your public facing details are right before you start creating artists. So go ahead, open your profile settings and review everything correctly. Do that for me. Make sure your wording is right. Make sure your image is right. Make sure everything represents you the way you want it to. Because once you start creating and building artists, the whole system will feel connected and professional the way you want it to from the start. Hey, we getting hotter now. Listen, now that your profile is ready, this is my favorite part. It's time to create your artist. But inside the lab, you're going to create your new laboratory room first. Think of your laboratory room like your creation workspace. This is where you build the identity, the content, and the core materials for that artist. Go ahead and tap to create new room. This is where the magic starts. Now we're inside the laboratory room. This is where you'll begin uploading content. Now, you have to remember each laboratory room represents one AI artist. So every time you want to create another AI artist, if you have more on your tier, you have to remember to create another laboratory room before you do that and bring new content to upload and build that AI artist with. All right? And you can upload things like your AI artist images, your AI music, your AI videos, your bios, and a few tags. Take your time here, y'all. Make sure what you upload is the content that you actually want associated with your artist, all right? This is the part that is important because what you place in this room is what will help shape how your artist appears across this whole AI artist platform. Once you've uploaded your content and entered your information correctly, the next step is to save the laboratory room. This is a very important part of the process. Why? Because saving your laboratory room is what pushes your work forward so the artist data can actually populate into the system. So don't just leave on your boy. All right? Don't just upload and leave. Make sure you actually hit the save laboratory room. Okay? That's what actually helped your artist card and your profile reflect the content you just added. Now, go ahead and tap into the artist card itself. Inside here, you want to do a deeper review. This is where you make sure your wording is correct, your bio is correct, your content populated correctly.
Don't test me, don't test me. I wish a mother would test me. In the gym getting big, no stressing. But I might take a chick, don't press me. Don't test me, don't test me. Turn a joke to a hit, don't tempt me. I be laughing, but I'm dead serious. Now I'm playing, but tempt me.
The artist's identity looks the way you want it to look, and everything feels complete. Basically, this is your quality control step before you put the artist out in the world. You want to make sure everything is clean, accurate, and intentional. Because once your artist starts becoming visible, hey, you want them to feel real, polished, and ready by you. Here we go. Now comes the major decision. Because once everything looks right, you can choose to add your artist to the hub. This is the moment where your artists become part of the public world of AI Artist Hub. So I want to be clear. This is not just some random switch. If you turn this on, you're making your artists available to be seen as part of the AI Artist Hub universe. Now, if you ever want to remove them, you can hit that same switch to pull them back out of the hub. But before you add them, make sure you really want them seen. Make sure the music's right. Make sure the branding is right. Make sure the information is right. Because this is the step where they're actually stepping into the world for the first time. Now, once your artist is inside the hub, they enter a much bigger ecosystem. Why? Inside the hub, users can participate in things like hub chat, direct messaging, community interaction, and platform wide visibility. This is where artists become part of the living culture of the app. Yep, they start becoming part of a living culture. That's right. AI, living culture. That's right. And this is also where bigger opportunities begin. Because inside the hub, artists can position themselves for things like song placements and community discovery, and much more. One of the future goals here is to give artists the opportunity to be featured on the Artificial One's 24/7 radio, curated through the energy and vision behind AI Artist Hub. So the hub is not just visibility, the hub is access. Also, while you're moving through the hub, make sure to pay attention to the missions at the bottom of the page. These are your ascent missions. These missions are here to help guide your growth and keep you moving through the platform with intention. So don't think of them as just extra buttons or extra noise. They're here to help you build momentum. The more you stay in the flow, the more the platform starts showing you how to grow. Once your artist is built and your profile is active, the next mindset shift is this. Now it's time to stop thinking like somebody who's just posting content and start thinking like somebody who's building a record label roster. That's where the planner comes in. Inside of the planner, you can begin organizing your drops, planning your releases, and mapping out how you want to move. This is where you go from random posting to intentional strategy. Now, this is one of my favorite parts because once you've planned your content, the next move is to what? Sell. Not just post, not just tease, not just upload to social media. Sell. Inside the platform, you'll be able to use the marketplace and your drops to put your music and products directly in front of people. That means you're not just building artists, you're building products, you're building releases, you're building repeatable revenue opportunities. This is how you start creating a real direct-to-consumer flow. Now, I done put y'all on the game. Now it's time to give y'all the sauce on how to use the game. Because once you learn this process once and do it once, you can repeat it over and over again. That's right. Create the profile, build the laboratory room, upload the content, save it, review the artist cards, add the artist to the hub, plan your drop, sell to your audience. Keep doing that again and again based on the tier you're on. That's how you start building the AI-powered roster. That's how you start building a mobile AI pocket label, not just a playlist. We don't do that no more. And yes, the Academy is there too. That's where you can continue learning, sharpening your strategy, understanding the bigger picture. But for this tutorial, I wanted to focus more on what the important thing is first. Getting you started creating and getting you moving towards selling. Because action comes first. And that's the flow. Set up your profile, create your artists, upload your content, save your laboratory room, review your artists, add them to the hub when you're ready, use the planner, use the marketplace, and repeat the process to grow your roster. This is AI Artist Hub, and this is bigger than just making content. This is about building something real, that feels real, that is real, because this is humans making real art with artificial intelligence. We are the artificial ones. Welcome to the AI Artist Hub. Let's get it.